Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with a hate crime due to sexual preference. Let's see here. My child is accused of physically and sexually attacking a classmate for being homosexual. Well, I'm assuming your child is minor. That's going to be somewhat relevant because what he does is not going to result in a state prison sentence, but rather he would have to serve, if he was found guilty at a court trial, because no jury trials for juveniles, he would have to serve his sentence at a juvenile correction facility. Now, first of all, I was talking about physically attacking somebody. Well, that sounds to me like a battery. That's a violation of Penal Code Section 242 here in the state of California. It's a misdemeanor as long as there was no physical harm, no traumatic condition in the body and the victim. That carries up to 6 months in county jail. Now, regarding attacking him sexually, well, if he touched the victim in a sexual manner, obviously without consent or privilege, like pinched him or did something, sexual, now we're talking about a violation of Penal Code Section 243.4 parentheses E parentheses 1. Now, this could be filed as a felony that carries up to 4 years. But apart from it being a felony, this also carries lifetime sex registration under Penal Code Section 290. I know your son might be a juvenile, but that's not going to bar him from having to register as a sex offender if he, in fact, is found guilty of a crime that is on the list under Penal Code Section 290. Now, if he did this specifically because of this person's sexuality, this is going to be classified definitely as a hate crime under Penal Code Section 422.7. This is a felony that carries up to 3 years, and once again, it won't be state prison, but it would be up to 3 years in a juvenile correction facility. Now, even if the initial crime is a misdemeanor, if this crime is being committed specifically because of the victim's race, religion, cultural, country of origin, sexuality, that kind of thing, well, then this is going to be classified as a hate crime under Penal Code Section 422. It's going to be very, very, very important to establish what your son's frame of mind was when he allegedly did this, because that's going to make a huge difference in the long run as to whether or not this is going to end up with some pretty serious custody time, or if this is going to result in maybe a deal with the DA where he can maybe just do some community service and for you to pay fines on his behalf. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who is facing extradition for rape. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.